The OBD2 diagnostic port in Ford F-150 trucks from 2015 to 2020 is strategically positioned for easy access. Understanding its exact location can save you time during diagnostics. The OBD2 port is located on the lower left side of the dashboard, specifically below and to the left of the steering wheel. This standardized location has remained consistent across all model years. One of the key advantages of this location is direct line-of-sight access. You don't need to remove any dashboard panels or covers to reach the port, making it extremely convenient for both professional technicians and vehicle owners. The port faces downward at approximately a 45-degree angle. This angled orientation makes it easy to connect diagnostic tools while providing a secure connection that won't accidentally disconnect during use. The OBD2 port uses a standard 16-pin JN62 connector. It typically features a black plastic housing and measures approximately 34 mm by 22 mm. Most models include an integrated dust cover for protection when not in use. This consistent location and standardized design across all 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 models makes diagnostic procedures straightforward and efficient. Whether you're a professional technician or a vehicle owner, you can quickly locate and access the port for any diagnostic needs. The OBD2 port in Ford F-150 trucks from 2015 to 2020 goes far beyond basic federal compliance requirements established in 1996. These systems provide enhanced diagnostic data streams that give technicians and owners deeper insights into vehicle performance. The OBD2 system integrates seamlessly with Ford's proprietary diagnostic systems. This includes Ford Pass Connect telematics and professional diagnostic tools like Ford IDS, providing comprehensive vehicle analysis capabilities. Beyond standard P codes, the F-150's OBD2 system reports manufacturer-specific diagnostic trouble codes. This provides detailed information about Ford-specific systems and components, enabling more precise troubleshooting and repair. The OBD2 port maintains excellent compatibility with diagnostic tools. Universal OBD2 scanners seamlessly, while professional Ford tools provide enhanced capabilities. Consumer-grade devices offer accessible diagnostics for everyday users. Modern diagnostic capabilities extend beyond traditional wired scanners. Wireless Bluetooth and Wi-Fi adapters enable smartphone-based diagnostics, while cloud-based systems provide remote monitoring and data logging for enhanced vehicle management.